I think you're gonna like it. I don't know if my brother's gonna like it. He's hard to convince, but.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kitty.
I'm Musclehead Kevin, and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro, here for your health. All right, tonight, what do we got for them, buddy? We got turkey.
Turkey taco skillet bake.
Turkey, and it's super simple. We sliced and diced a few things to make it even a little quicker for you guys to follow along at home, and you'll see it in a little bit here. But man, I'm super excited. It's gonna be an easy one.
Yeah, it's gonna be an easy
for a
one,
change,
and it's perfect for this cold weather we've been having in Colorado. A little soupy kind of a thing. So I think you're gonna like it.
Wow, this is a little more complicated than I thought. I thought it was super simple. Well, but we sliced and diced it up for you, so it's all right here. This is that rotel.
Right, we got some rice cauliflower, a couple of bags.
We got some turkey, just some ground turkey, lean,
right.
super lean.
Avocado, cilantro, bell pepper, cheese.
Zucchini.
I always let him say that because I get it mixed up.
And onion, salt, cumin.
Chili powder.
Chili powder, and some olive oil to cook it in. So, we're gonna put all this basically in a pan. When we come right back, we're gonna have a little cooktop here. We got a new little toy.
That's right, we got a new toy we're gonna try out. So if it goes badly, you know what happened.
It's going up already, buddy.
It's set medium high. We gotta add some of this other stuff. You ready?
All
What
right.
are you ready for?
Well, if you look at it, I think the turkey goes in first.
Well, it listed it first, but it all goes in. So let's put in the vegetables first so they can soften up a little bit in the oil. There's the zucchini. Here's the onion. They'll get translucent in the pan. Here's some bell pepper. And then we're starting to add in our spices. But before we do that, maybe we'll add in the turkey. You let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Here we go. I don't have my gloves on this time. Normally we cook with gloves, but we forgot to glove up, didn't we, buddy?
All right, we're chopping it up.
This is our new cooktop. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. We had to kind of figure it out. My brother's not very smart. Okay, add in the spices while I cook.
We got the, forget what that was, cumin, I think. And this is the chili powder. And here's the salt. Okay. And you want to go a little easy on the salt, but we're following the recipe. So it called for quite a bit of salt.
This is a compliant recipe, right, for our program, so shouldn't have too much salt.
Right. He's just stirring it in there. So, we're here to demystify the kitchen. This doesn't take long, and it's not hard.
Yep. Look at that. It's just kind of making a little combined deal for our ingredients.
This is going to have to cook for about 10 minutes, maybe 8 minutes. So we've got that going here. When we come back, the turkey will all be browned up, and we'll be ready to add in the rotel and the cauliflower and a few of the other ingredients. I like this cooktop because it's easy to cook over, and it really cooks up a storm, huh?
Yeah, it's doing pretty. You have to have these induction type pans. I don't think any pan would work on it, but good job. Okay, now we can add in the other stuff, right?
Yep. Add in the tomatoes and the cauliflower, and we're going to cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes.
Okay.
And at this point, what we really want to see happen is we want to boil off the liquid, and we want the cauliflower to become soft. It's really kind of crunchy right now when you first do it. And remember, we squoze out the liquid. Alternatively, you could just pour in the rice cauliflower and boil off the liquid for this recipe. But so lots of other recipes, it's really advantageous to squeeze out the liquid.
Yeah, I think it would take you most of the time. It would be too long. You'd spend all your time trying to get the liquid boiled off.
Kevin was concerned because the ingredients were small. There's lots of ingredients, but small amounts. And I heard him grumbling over there, thinking it wasn't enough. But it's really bulked up now that we got the tomatoes and the cauliflower.
Right.
So now we've flattened out our thing here, and we're going to add our cheese. We're going to try and evenly spread the cheese, and we're going to get ready to put this in the broiler to melt the cheese.
And then this is going to make 4 servings. We're just going to divvy it up.
Ready?
Yeah.
You ready to follow me into the oven?
Okay. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Okay, there we go.
So, important to note that you want an oven-safe pan when you start this process.
Yeah, that's true.
I think it's time you take that thing out of the oven, and we're gonna let it rest on the counter for a bit.
Ah, that looks good.
Okay, cheese is all melted. Could have been a little more brown, I think, but it's looking good. So we're gonna let it rest here for 5 minutes.
Okay, buddy, that doesn't look too bad. So we took the skillet, we cut it up into half and then quarters, and then I served it up on Ken's plate. He put a little guac, a little cilantro, and a little salsa. How's it looking? Is Bob your uncle?
Yeah, Bob is your uncle, in fact, your uncle. And I think this is a great recipe because it'll keep for a couple of days. You could have this, you can make this up and have it for a couple of days.
Yeah, if you have a significant other, you could have it half and half. You could have it for lunch, you could have it for dinner. And we basically got it divvied up into 4 sections, so I can put a quarter and a quarter. I'm putting a little bit on mine, and how did it taste?
Tasted really good.
Okay.
Yeah, it was yummy. It wasn't too spicy. Of course, you could add jalapeno probably, and maybe a little bit more chili flakes if you wanted. If you like it spicy, or you could just put some spicy salsa on the top. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
And it was 20 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't
start to
very long.
finish. So pretty easy, right?
All right.
Hopefully this demystifies the kitchen for you. Now, if you haven't already gone over to YouTube to check us out, Klar Brothers Bistro, hit the post notifications, turn on the subscribe,
and give us a big thumbs up.
and
and then-
every Sunday,
You'll get a new recipe.
that's right, whether
So-
you like it or not.
We're here for your health, your mind. We're here for all of it.
That's right. Mind and body reset. Yeah, baby.
Klar Brothers Bistro, here for your health.